Imagine holding a 12-pound bowling ball close to your chest. It's easy, right? Now, hold that same ball with your arm straight out in front of you. Suddenly it feels like 60 pounds. Your arm starts to shake, your muscles burn, and you eventually collapse. This is exactly what you are doing to your neck every time you look down at your phone. This is text neck, and if you don't fix it, it's not just ruining your spine, it's destroying your height, your confidence, and even your jawline. Forward head posture creates a curvature in the upper spine known as kyphosis, or the dowager's hump. This instantly makes you look shorter, less confident, and can even create the illusion of a double chin. Remember our video on mewing? You cannot have a sharp jawline if your neck is projecting forward. The skin sags and the jaw recedes. To fix the face, you must first fix the spine. So, why is it so hard to stand up straight? It's called upper cross syndrome. Your chest muscles have become tight and short from years of hunching over screens, pulling your shoulders forward. Meanwhile, your upper back muscles have become weak and stretched out. It's a tug of war, and your bad posture is winning. But we can reverse this in just 60 seconds a day. Move number 1, the chin tuck. Stand against a wall. Now, without looking down, pull your head straight back until it touches the wall, like you are trying to give yourself a double chin. Hold for 3 seconds. Release. Do this 10 times. This strengthens the deep cervical flexors, the only muscles that can pull that heavy bowling ball back into place. Move number 2, the doorway opener. We need to loosen that tight chest. Place your forearms on a door frame, elbows at 90 degrees. Step 1 foot through and lean forward until you feel a deep stretch in your chest. Hold this for 30 seconds. This releases the tension pulling you forward. Finally, change your habit. Bring the phone to your eyes. Don't bring your eyes to the phone. You'll look weird doing it, but you'll look a lot better than you would with a hunchback. Straighten up, drink your water, and hit subscribe for more biohacks. I'm Dr. AI. See you in the next video.